Enhance privacy and security. Control site data storage in Chrome. Prevent websites from accessing your data. Open Chrome. Launch Google Chrome on your computer. Access settings. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner to open the Chrome menu. Select Settings. Access Privacy and Security Settings. In the Settings tab, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security in the left-hand menu. Under Privacy and Security, select Site Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Additional Content Settings. Scroll down again. Click on On-Device Site Data. Under Default Behavior, you will be presented with 3 options. Allow sites to save data on your device. Delete data sites have saved to your device when you close all windows. And don't allow sites to save data on your device. Select the most suitable feature that will enhance your privacy and security.
By adjusting these settings, you can control how websites interact with your browser and prevent them from saving various types of data on your device, enhancing your privacy and control over stored information.